time. I lost my life, forgot to die. Like any man, a frightened guy. I'm keeping memories inside a woolen glove, but I know I'm more than sad and more today. I'm eating words too hard to say. A single tear and I'm away.
missing you. Gotta get you back. I've just got to find a way now to let you know, to let you know, to let you know. When all the salt is taken from the sea, I stand dethroned. I'm naked and I bleed. But when your finger points so savagely, is anybody there to believe in me? To hear my plea and take care of me? How can I go on from day to day? Who can make me strong in every way? Where can I be safe? Where can I belong? In this great big world of sadness, how can I forget those beautiful dreams that we shared? They're lost and they're nowhere to be found. How can I go on? Sometimes I start to I cannot see when people fly me. I do hide myself somewhere at the ground. Is anybody there to
Now I had the time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone to stand by me.
We saw the writing on the wall as we felt this magical fantasy.
Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise it secretly. So we take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember,
You're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
so I'll tell you something. There's gonna be love because I had the time of my life. I never felt this way before. 'Cause I swear it's so true, and I owe it all to you.
Hey, baby.
I thought I'd see a smile when I walked in the door. Thought those arms of yours would be open wide, but where they were before